Hey there. Today, we're getting into something important when it comes to manifesting the life you desire, protecting your manifestations. Manifestation isn't just about what you wish for, but how you go about bringing it into reality. It's delicate. And sometimes, sharing too much with the wrong people can actually hinder the very process you're working so hard to create. So, let's get straight into it. There are 3 crucial things you should never share with anyone if you want to protect your manifestations. First, let's talk about your desires and intentions. I know it's tempting to share with others what you're aiming for. It's exciting to tell people about your dreams, the vision you have for your life. But here's the truth: when you speak your desires aloud, you open the door for other people's opinions, thoughts, and energy to influence your vision. This can be destructive to your manifestation process because not everyone will understand or support what you're trying to create. Manifestation is a personal process. It's not just about what you're physically doing, it's about the energy you're putting out into the world. When you speak about your desires, you release that energy. And sometimes, people can unintentionally shift that energy in a way that doesn't align with your vision. Their doubts, their negativity, even their envy, none of it has a place in your manifestation process. It's easy for others to project their fears onto you. When they hear what you want, they might immediately offer advice based on their own limiting beliefs or experiences. They may even tell you that what you want is impossible or unrealistic. This can dampen your enthusiasm and cause you to question your own potential. And when doubt creeps in, your energy shifts, and your ability to manifest is weakened. You see, the more you talk about your goals to others, the more you risk inviting unwanted external energy into the process. Instead, keep your intentions to yourself and focus on building them within. When your desires are solid and rooted in your own belief, nothing outside of you can shake that foundation. Next, never share your feelings about the current state of things. Your present situation doesn't define your future, but sharing it can limit the way you see your reality. It's natural to talk about what's happening in your life, but the more you focus on your present struggles or challenges, the more you're reaffirming them. When you speak about your current state from a place of negativity or lack, you reinforce that energy and prevent yourself from stepping into the new reality you're trying to create. You've probably heard that where attention goes, energy flows. If you constantly talk about how things are not working out, or how hard things are, you're only drawing more of that energy into your life. It's a subtle thing, but very powerful. Instead, focus on the new version of yourself and the new circumstances you're working to bring into your life. Speak about your goals with the belief that they are already happening. Keep your focus on what you want, not on where you are. In fact, try this for a moment. Think about a time when you've shared your frustrations with someone. You may have felt better for a minute, but then you started to feel drained by the conversation. That's because you've just exchanged energy. And if that energy wasn't aligned with your goal, it weakens your ability to manifest the life you truly want. By sharing your current state, you also open the door for people to offer solutions or tell you how they would handle your situation. Again, you risk absorbing their thoughts and energies, which might not be in alignment with your vision. This can shift your focus from your goal and bring you back into the place of resistance. Finally, never share your process with others, especially in the early stages. Your manifestation is like a seed, and you want to nurture it in private until it's ready to sprout. When you share the process too early, you might get advice, feedback, or even criticism that can slow you down. It's not that others don't mean well, it's simply that they are not in the same energy space as you. Your process of manifestation is personal, and it's something that requires your full attention and dedication. If you constantly talk about how you're trying to manifest something, you risk diluting the energy you're putting into it. Instead of focusing solely on the feeling of having already achieved what you desire, you end up thinking about the process itself, which can lead to overthinking or doubt. You might even start questioning whether you're doing it right. The more you talk about your process, the more you risk getting caught up in how it's supposed to happen, rather than allowing it to unfold naturally. Think about it like this: when you're planting a garden, you don't go digging up the seeds to check if they're growing. You plant them, water them, and give them time. The same applies to your manifestations. If you keep revisiting and sharing the details of your manifestation process, you're constantly digging up the seeds and questioning their growth. Keep your focus on the end result. See yourself already living the life you desire, without worrying about the steps in between. The universe knows how to bring it to you in the best way possible. Your job is to stay aligned with the vision and trust that everything is unfolding as it should. When you keep these three things to yourself, your desires, your current state, and your process, you are preserving the energy necessary to bring your dreams into reality. Protect your manifestation by keeping your vision sacred. Your desires are powerful, and the more you protect them, the stronger they become. Allow your manifestations to unfold in the right time, without interference or doubt. Now, note that manifestation is not just about words, it's about your feelings and beliefs. Speak less about it, and feel more. Manifestation is a quiet, personal process that thrives, and it is nurtured with patience and trust. Keep your thoughts aligned with the life you want, and protect that energy by not sharing it with others who may not understand or resonate with your vision. Your desires are sacred. Protect them. Keep them close to your heart and work on them in silence, with an unwavering belief that they are already yours. As you do this, you'll notice that your reality begins to shift, and the life you've always wanted starts to show up in the most beautiful ways. Just a reminder, the quieter you are about your desires, the louder the universe will speak back to you. When you begin on the path of manifestation, it's important to cultivate a sense of quiet and solitude around your dreams. It's easy to get excited, to want to tell the world about your plans, your visions, and what you are striving for. But remember, manifestation isn't about the noise you make, it's about the stillness in which your desires take shape. The quieter you keep your energy, the more you can hear the subtle guidance that leads you to your goal. Think of it this way: when you share your deepest desires too early, you expose them to the opinions of others. Opinions, no matter how well-meaning, can shape your energy in ways that aren't beneficial to you. Instead of remaining focused on your goal, you might find yourself adjusting, doubting, or even abandoning your vision based on what others think or say. Even casual remarks about the difficulty of your goal can disturb your internal alignment. If someone says, "That's going to be tough," or "That might not work," it can shift your belief, however unintentionally. This is why the process of manifestation requires a strong sense of inner conviction and clarity. It's about building a powerful vision and holding it steady in your mind without external interference. The moment you start sharing it with others, you might find that your belief becomes less grounded, less certain. Instead of speaking your desires aloud, focus on nurturing them quietly within. Let your actions reflect your commitment to them, and let your energy reinforce their truth. There's also an energetic exchange that happens when you discuss your desires with others. While it may feel like you're simply sharing a thought or experience, what you're actually doing is exchanging energy. The person you're speaking with is sending their energy back to you, which may not always be in harmony with your own. Their energy, whether it's positive or negative, can influence the outcome of your manifestation. So, while you might feel the need to share, think about the impact that sharing may have on the energy you're cultivating. Keep your focus on the vision you're creating. Your energy is precious, and it's what will guide you to the life you desire. Protect your manifestations and let them grow in the silence of your belief. You've got everything you need within you to create the life of your dreams. Trust that the universe is already working on your behalf. All you need to do is stay aligned and allow it to happen. So, next time you're tempted to share your dreams, desires, or even your struggles, take a moment to pause. Ask yourself if this conversation is helping you align with your vision or if it's pulling you away from it. Protect your manifestations with the power of silence and belief. Your dreams are worth it. Stay focused, stay quiet, and watch them come to life. Now, before you go, take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. If you want more insights like this, hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. By subscribing, you'll ensure that you never miss a moment of this valuable information, tailored just for you. If you found something helpful, share it with someone who might benefit from it as well. Also, don't forget to comment below your thoughts and your experience with manifestation. I'd love to hear how you're protecting your own energy and what goals you're working toward.